Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press the side button again to open the menu. After you open the menu, tap on the find the settings icon and tap on it. Now scroll through the settings, find the option called System and Updates and select it, and here find the option called Reset and tap on it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.